left, and today it's Sienna, and we're going to do a video. Let's get started. The first thing we got is this cute little whale. Look, dolphin. So he's so cute. You could see him with his little tiny nose. So he's going to be our first customer. Next we have this cute little doggy to be the customer. We have these really cute, really cute of this really cool ice creams. They smell good, so we're going to get those. Let's put these away. We got this little cookie. Then you can come apart. You'll see like the edge like this. So we're going to put it back together. See? It's like we put it back here. And then we're going to put it right back in so you see it. See? So let's put that away. And we got this little other cookie that you can put this pink. We got this white thing. And we got this pink. Going to put that back in. Put the in there. This one is a little hard to put back. We got this. It's a bag. We got this cupcake where you could take this stuff off. There are erasers that were pretending they're like fruit. We have the ice cream with the cone. See cone? And we got the ice cream. And it sticks back together. You can see that. It's not really sticking well. You can see that. So next we have these cute little keychains. They're like a pack, but they're really cute. See? There's chocolate. We got vanilla. Got vanilla and strawberry. So that's it for the video. Now we're going to play the game. So we'll put these two here. Click. So, bye guys. I hope you had a nice day. Bye guys. Bye.